guys, I'm Michael here with the Ratchet and Clank Going Commando walkthrough. Just one little thing before we get started. None of my walkthroughs are going to have the cutscenes of the game actually in it. But other than that, hope you enjoy my videos. Here's the game. Alright guys, so we are on planet Notak, going this way. Going across the bridge. And I will use the chopper. Uh-oh, someone else is shooting at me. Who's shooting at me? Oh. Excellent. The chopper is a really good weapon. I have enough to buy the mini turret glove. I'm going to go get that right now. That was close. I almost fell in the water. Mini turret glove purchase. The mini turret glove is awesome. I will show you what it does right over here. Alright, so we have to go this way. Alright, so what the mini turret glove does is it throws out a miniature turret that will continue shooting villains until either the ammo runs out or the number of villains runs out. So I'm going to trade out the gravity bomb for the mini turret glove. And now I need the Terminator. To freeze the water. Alright, so that is the mini turret. As you saw, it just kept shooting them until there's no more. They are very good in bulk. Like when you have like 5 or 6 altogether, they are extremely good. See, all gone. Alright, so now, and then after there's no more, they will just explode. The mini turret is extremely good after it completely upgrades and becomes the mega turret. Alright, now down here, you saw there was a dynamo thing. That opens up a door that's way back there. It also showed you that there are some bad guys right back there. It was showing you that door right there. That was easy. Ah, I didn't kill them. I thought that it killed them. The chopper's almost fully upgraded. Alright, there is a platinum bolt in there. So if you want to get that, then you can. You just have to hit that. You just have to hit the dynamo thing and then rush up here. But you don't need to get it. So you can just come right up here. And that is a ship. Yes, the chopper just upgraded to the multi-star. The multi-star is really cool because when you throw it, it'll split into 2 other blades. It's extremely helpful. Alright, so you can do pretty much either one. You can go to Slim's. My recommendation, get the gun upgrade. It comes in really helpful. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but it is the blaster upgrade. You know what I mean. Alright, so I'm gonna go into the factory. So, let's go. Hey guys, hope you've enjoyed my Ratchet and Clank Going Commando walkthrough. Thanks for watching. Please watch the next ones if you have trouble on those levels. Comment if you liked it. Subscribe. Thanks.